You might want to keep an eye on
Femma is becoming a herding dog here. See that?
Yeah.
How she's herding them out?
They chew in the leaves and they spit them out.
Yeah, hopefully.
Well, a lot of them do.
Oh, I'm trying to take a picture of you.
Careful that you don't step on anything.
Here, Olivia. Olivia, look at me. Olivia, look at me. Oh, it's too dark.
Femma! Are you such a good mommy?
She like circles around them.
Well, that's what herding dogs do. And although she's a hunting dog, she's acting like a herding dog. She's trying to get them all together.
Look at her, she's circling.
Yeah? Like a sheep herding dog will herd around all the sheep.
Circle and push them in.
Yeah, well, and that's what she's doing with her puppies now. Like that one is going away, so she's trying to get that.
Oh, now she's trying to move them over here.
Yep. Isn't that funny? I've never seen a mom do it quite like, but she is an incredible mom.
Oh,
Oh, here goes one of them.
someone's really tired. Too much for you?
That's Ilko. Sietske right on top of Wiets. I don't know why I have the leash actually on